Kevin narco, got dope like Pablo. Cut dope like Pablo. Cut dope, shot trees with the Draco. On the north got Diego.
Baby, it's a beautiful day to be alive in these streets, and that apple juice hits and I hit the spot. It's hitting the spot. But anyway, how is your morning? Good morning to everybody. I've noticed I don't even tell you guys good morning. So how you all doing, my little loved ones or sisters and brothers and everyone who's watching? How's your morning? Today is the what? Is it the 16th of May, and it's a beautiful Sunday morning to be alive. I'm very glad and happy because you're on to another challenge, and we'll be eating my name for 24 hours. Yes, baby, you'll be eating my name for 24 hours. And my name is Grace, Grace, and you've already done 2 letters of that name, of my name. You've already done 2 letters. You've already eaten G for a whole day, R for a whole day. We are on to the third one. Oh, we are halfway there. So today you're going to be eating letter A for 24 hours, and I'm very, very excited. So please stay along throughout this video. And if you're not yet subscribed, what are you waiting for? Hit that subscribe button and come along. Ni free of charge. It won't cost you anything, I promise you. And then if you want to get notified whenever I post a new video, you can hit the bell button next to the subscribe button, so that whenever I upload a new video, you will always get notified. But anyway, because I'm already hungry, as always, I'm always hungry. Oh, not hungry. I'm always hungry. Let's begin with breakfast, and I'm very excited. Anyway, let's just jump right into the video. Breakfast time, and I'm very excited. And what do you think you're going to make for breakfast? Something that starts with an A, at the same time breakfast worthy. But anyway, you're going to be making some apple muffins. A for apple. So we're going to be making some apple muffins for breakfast, and I'm going to leave the recipe right over here if you want to try it out. And let's begin. Let's go. I'm going to start by peeling the apples and then chop them up. Now on to the dry ingredients.
I live inside my own world of make-believe. Kids screaming in the cradles, profanities. I see the world through ice covered in ink and bleach.
And at last my babies are all done. You can see right over there. I don't know where I'm going to eat 12 muffins the whole of today, but we shall know what we're gonna do. But anyway, I'm just going to pop them in the oven at 180 degrees for only 20 minutes, and then all you have to do is wait for them to bake, and then we'll be back. And now all you have to do is wait for 20, and then I'll see you later. Pam pam pam. Hey, 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 hey. Let me get something to hold them. I don't get burned. Ooh. Oh my god. Beauty. This is what we call beauty. Ay. What do you mean? What do you guys mean? Ay. Tesa kumaliza hizi zote. I'm wondering which one to start with. Anyway, we're going to let them cool down for about 10 minutes or 5. And then we're going to be back and destroy them. Because baby, this is what you call beauty. 5 minutes later, my apple muffins have now cooled down, and they're such beautiful babies. Oh my god. Oh my god. Beautiful. Look at this one. Look at this one. Anyway, I can't just wait today. Oh, I've already started. The top part is crunchy. Oh, oops. Oh. Best day of my life. I don't know, but I get to eat as a job. I'm down for this all day, every day. Actually, unwrap. Look at that beauty. Look at that. Try this recipe. Please do. Let me go and eat and share some with my family members. Try just some, like this little one. This one I can give them. And there is also another one to share. But now these big daddies over here, they're mine. Anyway, I'm going to feast. I'll be back for that snack. We shall be back. We shall be back. Bye. It's snack time and I'm very excited. Not really because I don't have any particular snack to be precise, but because nasikia njaa kiasi, I'm going to be making an avocado plus apple salad. Avocado starts with an A, apple starts with an A, and then I'm going to be chopping them up and putting them in a bowl and then make a salad out of it by fire, by force. Or is it a fruit salad? We do anyway, whatever works, as long as we're eating letter A for 24 hours, right? Anyway, let's get into chopping. But before that, I slay the damages. Aki inapenda kujigamba, but if you don't love yourself, baby, who will? Who will? Anyway, let's make our salad. wakati wa snack umefika. Yeah. Who doesn't love avocados? This is the best part of this day, eating avocados. I can eat avocados all day, every day. If you tell me to do this challenge, only eating avocados, I am very ready to. And then you add apples. Oh my goodness. So, this bowl is from Blueband. So, I'm going to be eating this for my break as we wait for our lunch, because we're making something that I really love, and you have made it before on this channel, so I'm very excited. You can guess what you're making for lunch in the comment section down below. I want to see if you know what we're talking about. It involves, no, let me not tell you. Anyway, let me eat this as I try to reply to my emails that I really do, in my comments and everything. And then I'll see you guys at lunchtime as we make my favorite dish. Ooh. Kinafaa kuwa dancer. Perfection. Lunchtime, and we are going to be making something. I told you we're going to be making something that I hold dear to my heart. Anyway, we're going to be making some avocado toast. You know what it is. Who doesn't love avocado? And why don't you make it in a toast? So I'm going to be making some avocado toast for lunch today, and I'm very excited. And guess what? I'm going to show you the tips and tricks of making the perfect avocado toast today. Yeah. Let's go make our avocado toast. So, as I've told you today, I'm going to be showing you how to make the perfect avocado toast. And step one, get a perfect avocado to make the perfect avocado toast, like duh. So get a fine baby. And then step 2, get your bread. Step 2, oh my god, get your bread. And then step 3, toast your bread. And babes, there you have it, your perfect avocado toast. Avocado, A for avocado. Ooh. Oh my god. Oh, stunning. You should be eating beautiful things like this.
Pose, photo shoot.
Anyway, it's lunchtime and I'm salivating because this avocado toast is calling me by my name. And I have to eat this fast because there's somewhere I have to go and I'm already late. Typical me. What are you guys doing in the lives if you're not eating avocado toast? This is what we call a perfect avocado toast. Apple juice. To be honest, I think today is the best day or the best challenge I've ever had. Everything I love, very amazing, very, like it's just flowing, like it's the easiest. What do you think? Eating A for entire day is the easiest thing you could ever do. So, eat your name, baby. Let me finish this very fast. And then, I can go run those damn errands and I'll be back. Perfection. Let's go and run the errands and then we shall be back. Okay, for dinner. And we're not going to be taking any more apples or any more avocados, so don't worry, Don't go anywhere. I'll be back. Hey guys, it's me again, and I know you're wondering why I look. I have a different outfit and my lashes and everything. It's because it's the next day. So yesterday when I came back from wherever I told you I was going to, I came back late and I was very tired, but I shot anyway. I shot of what I ate. I ate some arrowroots, arrowroots, ndoma, and I also had a dipping sauce called aioli that I was dipping my arrowroot fries in. So I'm going to leave that clip over here so that you guys can see what I ate for supper, and then we'll be back to end this video. But anyway, baby, see what I ate for supper. You have seen how amazing those fries were looking like arrowroot fries. Jaribu before, but I will do that again all day, every day. That was a very exciting adventure. So I hope you guys try out that recipe because I will 100% recommend. Like I enjoyed too much. And then when I dip in that dipping sauce, baby, woo wee. Anyway, I'm here to end this vlog and hope you enjoyed the whole. I only ate foods that start with the letter A for 24 hours. And if you love this video, give it a big thumbs up so that you can see when I eat, so that I can continue the series, and it will help me know that you love whatever I'm doing. And also, if you're not yet to hit the subscribe button, hit it right now. It's free of charge. You get to join this amazing family and you won't miss any of my content. Okay, so hit the subscribe button and then you can hit the bell so that when I upload the letter C for 24 hours, you won't miss out. Okay, anyway, I'll have to end this video here, but don't worry, you will definitely see me in the next one. But for this one, it's a wrap. Peace.